This is Twit.
Oh my goodness. If you have a MacBook Pro that was sold between a 15-inch MacBook Pro sold between September 2015 and February 2017, you may have some battery issues, says Apple, and they have a voluntary recall and replacement program, again, for 15-inch MacBook Pros. Some of them, a select group of them, sold between September 2015 and 2017. The battery may overheat and pose a safety risk. I will let you use your imagination to figure out what that safety risk might be. You can identify them by their product serial number, and it does not. The recall does not affect, quote, any other 15-inch MacBook Pro units or other Mac notebooks, according to Apple. So if you go to About This Mac in the upper left-hand corner of your screen, and if you have MacBook Pro Retina 15-inch mid-2015, you can enter your computer's serial number on the program page to see if it is eligible for a battery replacement. And it's basically support.apple.com/15-inch-MacBook-Pro-battery-recall. And we just wanted people to know that was out there. We don't know how many units are affected. Traditionally, it has been traditionally the company is always like perhaps one or two, a few, a handful. And then, as soon as they start pointing this out, people start, sending pictures of their exploding Samsung Note 8s, but on the internet, on YouTube. But in any case, go check it out if you have a MacBook Pro, just in case. Because it would suck for your battery to light your lap on fire. There, I said it. Nobody wants a flaming lap. Not me, anyhow.